Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next chapter, chapter number 8, food and digestion, on page number 102. Students, food is a fuel for the human body. So food supplies energy that all the chemicals needed for the growth and keep the body properly works. And every human eats about 1 ton food per year and about 500 liters of liquid per year for maintaining normal and healthy body. So two blanks, first and second. Type of foods on the basis of their the components: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, mineral salts, vitamins, roughage. Now the brief discussion about these food components. Chemicals that supply energy including sugars. Fats are energy source that provide more twice amount of energy than the carbohydrates, and a thin layer of fat under the skin that insulates the body. Proteins are needed for the repairing body tissues and growing new body tissues. These are the building blocks of the body. Mineral salts required in small quantity, for example calcium, important for the growth of bone and teeth. Vitamins also required in small amount, and the deficiency of vitamins cause diseases known as deficiency diseases. Roughage, part of our diet that is not digested, and roughage retains water, keeping the feces soft. Most important, all the chemical reactions require water in the body. Students, there are different tests to test the food. For example, to test starch is present, to test glucose present, to test for the protein is present in the food or not, and to test for the fat is present. So first test for the starch: a few drops of iodine you have to drop on a bread. If the color changes from brown to blue black, it means that starch is present. Next is simple sugar. Add Benedict solution to the food in a test tube. Put the test tube in the beaker and heat the water. If glucose is present, the Benedict solution will change from blue to green or brick red. Next, protein test. For the test of protein, we use biuret solution to food in the test and shake carefully. The protein is present. Biuret solution will change from light blue to purple. The color is changes from light blue to purple. And the last one for the fat, the shake the food sample with ethanol in a test. Filter the mixture into the first shake, then filter the solution and clean the test tube, then some clean water to add to filtrate. So the fat is present, the cloudy emulsion, white color precipitation will be appear. Test yourself questions, and the answers are page 104. What is fuel for the human body? Food. Why does the food need fuel? To get energy. Why it is important to eat a balanced diet for healthy life? Of what should a balanced diet consist of? Energy, building blocks, building materials, control chemical reactions, give us dietary fibers. Why is water important in a balanced diet? Because all the chemical reactions in the body takes place in solution. What is deficiency disease? Give one example. Disease caused by the deficiency of vitamins called deficiency disease. Example, rickets. Describe how would you find out if milk contains protein by urine test, cheese by ethanol test, biscuit contains glucose by Benedict's test, and potatoes contain sugar by iodine test. 8th question. What safety precautions should you take when carrying out food test? Wear safety glasses. Digestion. Digestion is the process of food digestion that starts from the mouth and ends in the anus through the alimentary canal. Food is digested by different enzymes and chemicals that are helpful for the digestion of food, for example enzyme. And the digestive system consists of long tube called alimentary canal that runs from mouth to anus. And in this structure, in this diagram, you can see mouth, stomach, gullet, liver, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, and last one anus. Now test yourself question 105 page. Why must food be digested? The food must be digested for getting food components such as carbohydrates, proteins, What do enzymes do? What do enzymes do? The enzymes concerned with digestion of food. What does the human digestive system consist of? Consist of alimentary canal. Roughly how long is alimentary canal? 10 meter. And roughly how long does it take to food to pass from one end to another? 24 hours. Next part of digestion, moving food along the walls of alimentary canals having muscles, and the food can pass through contract like wave-like contractions, and these contractions called peristalsis, like this diagram. Mouth. Food enter the mouth and broken by the teeth. So slippery saliva, it is an enzyme that mix with the food and help in digestion. Esophagus is a small tube connecting the mouth to the stomach, and balls of food can push through the stomach. This is esophagus, through which balls of food can move. Last one, stomach is a muscular sac with valves at each end to control the flow of food, and in stomach hydrochloric acid, gastric juices are present for the digestion of food. Thank you.